Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix phone Wi-Fi setting, and today video title guys how to connect Wi-Fi network with QR code. Friends, you want to connect Wi-Fi network with QR code on your Infinix mobile. So friends, how to connect Wi-Fi network with QR code? In this video friends we will talk about, so one by one, step by step we will talk about. So first of all guys, open your Infinix phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. On your Infomobile mobile friends, click here Wi-Fi setting and enable your Wi-Fi. After enable Wi-Fi friends, you can see that there are many networks, and friends you want to add any network, so friends click here add network, and once you can add network you can connect network. So friends, on your Infomobile click here scanner, and this phone friends already I have connected one Wi-Fi network, you can check friends. So friends, I have connected one network. So friends, I will click here this network and friends share option. And friends, on your Infinix mobile guys, tap on screen and scan this QR code. After scan QR code friends, you can see on your Infinix mobile connect notification and cancel. Join Wi-Fi network. Yes, I want to join. As you can see, without entering any password, we can join any Wi-Fi network on Infomobile mobile, and we can use this Wi-Fi network setting on a device. So friends, after connect, you want to on YouTube app, any app, Instagram, WhatsApp, you can own and you can use it. So like that friends, you can use Wi-Fi network setting. You can connect a network with QR code on your Infinix mobile. Direct friends, click a scanner and get scan QR code, and friends you can join any Wi-Fi network with QR code. Scan QR code. After scan friends, notification, connect option, and friends we can connect, we can pair any Wi-Fi network with QR code. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.